All right, we got the 880 going on here. Customer John in Ohio. John, your chain is tight. I had to do some gentle prying to get it all on here. Now I want to know, do you want me to add one more link to it? Because that's going to stretch a lot. So that's the tightness we got. That bar is 60 inches. How do you like that? 60 inches right there. That's 5 foot of bar. So John, I want to know, do you want your chain one more link, or do you want to go ahead and work with it for 8 or 10 minutes gently and get it on there like that? You tell me. All right, 880. Thanks, John. Take care. Talk to you soon.